Alrighty guys, what is going on? Back on some updates on the GTI. We got some parts in the mail. These are the brake covers that I ordered. eBay special, baby. And I got these from Car Sweets. I'm super excited about these because I've been wanting the big brake look for a long time, and I just, it's kind of out of my budget, so this is a perfect alternative if you're not, because I'm not really racing my car, it's my daily, so this is a perfect alternative just to give you that clean aesthetic big brake look, for a fraction of the cost. So come on, it's Christmas Day, let's just rip this thing open. I've already installed one side, so this is the other set, but as you can tell, they're plastic. I mean, you can't really tell right off the bat, but they are plastic, but they are hopefully pretty heat resistant, and they look great on the car. The back ones, they fit on perfect, so that's the front. This is the back. So they look sweet. It looks like a 6-piston in the front, got a 4-piston in the back. It's pretty, I'm not gonna say they're cheap, but it's just plastic covers, You can get metal ones, you can get plastic ones. These didn't come with any sort of adhesive, so it says on the instructions just to glue them on. So I glued them on the back, but the fronts didn't fit, so I wasn't able to put the fronts on that way. The fronts I had to drill holes into them. Yeah, there they go. That's installed. It gives a good look. You can see I installed it with that one self-tapper there. And then, alright guys, all you're gonna need, self-tapping screws. You're gonna need something like this. I glue this, so yeah, main thing is you're gonna want to take a little more drill those 2 other holes in your self-tap. For me last time, just drill that bitch in. For make sure you do this correctly. Make sure not to skip this step, is to have a proper wrench. And use one of these. Don't use, so it's important to use one. I mean, you can use the other ones, but use one of these that has a hex. Basically, there's ones that have hexes, and then there's ones that have like these. You're most likely going to strip out your lug nuts if you use this one. So just spend the money and get a proper one like this. Boom. And then you can take your wheels off forever, and you'll never have a problem with stripping them out. Make sure to always hand tighten the lugs too when you're putting them back in. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button if you like the content and if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.